Good morning. How you doing?
I'm well.
All right. I'm go ahead.
Keep the hood up.
Okay. And you got a new battery, right? You
Mm-hmm.
just got the battery.
Monday.
And you had anything else done before that? I can't remember. It just cut off on you. Just
It
cut
had
off.
what it did. It had ran down. He left it on. He had those gave himself a boost.
Okay.
And got in the truck and went to work and left it on by mistake. And he was looking for his keys.
So the battery died
2 days
initially.
later. Because
okay.
it was running before then because he was driving.
Got you.
And then he came back when he was looking for his keys. He found it in the ignition.
Okay.
So the car wasn't even cranked then.
Got you.
So he put gas in it, about 3-4 gallons. We did it a couple of times,
Mm-hmm.
and it still didn't.
Okay.
Crank would do nothing.
Okay. So now with the new battery, it ain't even. It's still
I think
not
he
getting.
He tried it. It didn't cut on.
Okay. So it's doing the same thing it was doing when before. No power.
Yeah, no power.
With a new battery. Okay. Oh, we got power.
Oh, see, I don't know.
Okay, so we got power, but it's no signal. This thing loud. All right, no signal. Alright, we're gonna test these fuses for power. Got it on the ground. Right. Alright, so we're gonna test the relays. Our handy little TikTok tool. So, I'm gonna get these relays up out of here. Gotta get the relay tool. Four pin test. All right, that's good. So all of those are good. Let me test these. All right, all those relays are good. All right, on to the next. I'm gonna go ahead and take my probe, get up under here, give the starter some power, and see if it turns over. See what it does. Alright, power. That thing will stretch. Get up under there. Alright, let's see what we do. See if the anti-theft is that flashing. Alright, we got some fuses and relays up under here. Let's see what we got real quick. That side ain't hitting. Let's see what we got. Blown fuse. There's a gap in between there. Alright, so this is the only one I see that's blown. I'll check this relay. Alright, so that's a good relay. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fuse number 24. Let me see what that is. Alright, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a fuse that protects the ignition on an AC, the accessory circuit, including the passive anti-theft system, PATS module. That's what it is, my friends. Alright, get the 10 amp out, put a new one in. And that is it. I want to stay on. So now we got to figure out another issue. I'm gonna probably put some starter fluid in here and see if it start up. Might be a bad fuel pump. I remember them saying something about the fuel getting gas, and it is over half. So let me see. Take this little port off. A little easy way to get some fluid off. And I mean, the starter fluid. Now, if this car starts up, that pump is bad. Had to get the key. Yep, that fuel pump bad. All right, so the fuel pump, looking it up, we got the cheap little fuel pump, but I want to get the whole assembly. This is an old vehicle, looking at $327.99 for the Delphi. Motorcraft $298.99. That's not even available, so going with the Delphi. Who has it nearby? Riverdale. Alright, the labor gonna be about $450. Shit, I should charge more with that gas, but I'll work it out.